Hey everyone, welcome to Shift Points. Shift Points is the video home for Freeman Hot Rod Repair. Freeman Hot Rod Repair is a shop located in Marshall, North Carolina, and it's made up of my dad, Mike Freeman, who's probably somewhere over there off camera working, and myself, Jake Freeman. Dad's been doing this for more than 50 years and definitely is the expert on all the topics that we're going to cover, and I'll just be the guy who kind of tags along, documents it, hopefully learns something. So over the past 10 or 15 years, I would say that I've been increasingly getting more and more interested in the automotive world, trying to learn everything that I can, trying to make sure that I can continue to do this, continue to go out there and do interesting things with cars. I think it's an industry that is really big and it really needs to continue to grow, and Shift Points is hoping to be a big part of that at some point. So if you'll stick with us, hopefully we're going to do some really interesting things that everyone's going to enjoy. And if you'll stick with us, we'd appreciate it, and we'll see y'all later.